I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy.
We are empty nesters that work full-time.
However, we strive to make the most out of every moment we are blessed with.
Every moment is an adventure if you make it one.
So join us.
Be free and make the ordinary extraordinary. Today's adventure is taking place right outside of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina.
Kitty Hawk is located in the Outer Banks and is filled with a ton of great adventures.
One of the things Kitty Hawk is most known for is flying.
On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers made history in Kitty Hawk when they made the first powered controlled flight in a craft they designed and built called the Flyer.
So to make this Kitty Hawk adventure extraordinary, we are going to fly.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store.
We are here at Jockey Ridge State Park in Outer Banks, North Carolina in Nags Head, and we are about to do something so exciting. I'm super excited and super nervous at the same time. We're gonna go hang gliding in the dunes.
So really, Nags Head is really also Kitty Hawk, so we are right where the Wright brothers actually did their flying and stuff as well. So it's pretty exciting. Hopefully we leave with all of our limbs. So this is what we're going to be hang gliding on.
We're going to be flying.
Slept in, cause I don't care, and didn't make the bed. Sip coffee on my couch, what can I do instead? No work, it's only fun.
I'm signing a waiver right now that no matter what happens, they're not responsible. Let's go ahead.
Finding our lives away.
It's my lucky day. It's my lucky day. My lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold, a rabbit's foot or two.
Got my helmet, I got my harness, and I'm ready to go fly!
The hike to the hang gliding spot starts with a 360-foot boardwalk. The tallest living sand dune on the Atlantic coast is located here. The sand dune covers a 427-acre area.
We have to walk miles in the sand.
The desert-like environment can reach 110 degrees.
We are here on the planet of Tatooine.
You have to keep walking.
And we are looking for Obi-Wan Kenobi because he is our only hope.
And up ahead, you will see our kites. We're about to fly. How was the trek?
Not too bad.
Everything hurts. It was not okay. It was hard. I guess he's just too fit for the rest of us.
So once again, before you even think about flying, you will grab your carabiner and hold it in your dominant hand. And that's going to point you where to go.
I got it.
And point your head to the boy. Go to the bar. Woo! Cool. So we'll go over the flight controls one more time. We have the neutral flying position where you are being your best sleepy potato, doing nothing. Clear. You're going to walk and jog and run.
We're ready to go fly. I'm so excited. And I'm a little scared right now, so I want to say my final words just in case. Be free. I feel like I'm just getting up and gonna fly. And so then I'm concentrating, I'm like, yes. And he's like, flare, flare, flare. And I'm not listening. And so then my head went into the railing.
With your helmet? Did it hit it? It's a good thing you had a helmet on, eh?
This is what happens when you don't listen and you're not paying attention to Noah. This right here. I just get so concentrating on flying that I didn't hear the flange.
No, it's
Flare.
Flare.
Every day's a good day when I'm close to you. Every day's a good day when I feel your breath. Don't know what to say, but then you put the words into my heart. You take my breath away, and I'm free to fly. You set me free to fly. You're the wind beneath my wings, and your love touches my heart.
Hold it.
When a storm comes up, when the clouds get dark, you're my saving art.
This was so much fun. But I'm so hot out here. So hot. I gotta get some shade. We're dying. So hot. This is true love. I'm getting way overheated. And so he traded me shirts. And Eric gave me his hat so I could stay out of the sun.
You know that's love right there.
Taylor gave her nothing.
Taylor did nothing for me.
Look, I'm just trying to stay alive myself.
So this is a very useful document. It lists out all the skills that you need to know how to do to get your hang on. And today I've certified you guys on your hang check.
Hang check means that we can just basically hang.
We love hang gliding, so if you know of any great places, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.